Okay, we've got the American Standard Gold Series furnace. It's about 40 inches tall, and the main supply coming off of it is only about 6 inches off the top of the furnace. But we have about 30 inches or so, just under 30 inches to the joists. That's for the stack there. The size of that is, yeah, that's about 16 by 20, pretty standard. And then on this side, the drop is 24 by 8, pretty standard. Goes up to the joist space there, joist cavity, and then goes over top of the supply, comes down here. This is the return air trunk here. We took this hole out, obviously cycling too much air in the basement. Supply and return run all the way down here, all the way to the front of the house. And the supply is dropped below the joists, so there is opportunity to raise it about 6-7 inches. As you can see, it's dropped low to get underneath this portion of the drop beam here for the floor above.